Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anushka, and as we all know that Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So I thought, why not create something Valentine-y? I don't know if it's a word or not. Never mind. So I came up with this. And if you want to know how to make this cute hair updo, which is 100% perfect for your Valentine's date, then keep watching. So we need a few little things for this cute hair updo, that are hairbrush, a hair tie, and few bobby pins. 2 or 3 will work. And if you want to jazz up your hair updo a little bit, you can use like few fancy clutches, rubber band, or a bow to just like make it a little fancy and more beautiful. Now what we're gonna be doing is we will be parting our hair, and the partition is totally up to you, whatever you like. Then we will be braiding our hair, one in here and one in here, and we will try to make them as near as possible so that it is easy to make the heart in the back of the head. So I will be starting by taking the section of our hair like this, and then we will be braiding. And you're gonna be securing this braid with anything you like. I'm taking this like really cute and small clutcher. I'm using this. Now we will do the exact same thing here. Now we have these 2 braids done. I will turn around to show you how to make that heart thing. Now for the heart, we need to make a circle that will first go inwards, and then it will go outwards, like inwards and then outwards, like this. Now you have to secure this to the bobby pin so that it stays in place. Like this. Now you have to do the exact same thing on the other side. Inwards and then outwards, like this. And try to make them close as possible. Use the bobby pin to secure it in place. Now we have to bring these 2 together, and we have to tie them together. So I prefer doing it taking a piece of hair and then braiding it. So I will remove these 2 small clutches, and I will be braiding, sorry, not braiding, I will be tying these here. And this is how your hairstyle will look like. Now you know how to make this cute hairstyle, and this will look good with any kind of hair, straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, anything. And yes, we are coming to the end of this video, so before leaving I want to say that please share your recreations with me. I would love to see that. And yes, like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell icon so that you get notified. And thanks for watching.